Hello everyone! If you're new here, my name is Valerie. I make sewing tutorials and sewing patterns. And today I have a tutorial and pattern for a bikini. We recently made a manikini on the channel. If you haven't seen that tutorial, you can watch it right here, but you can never have too many swimsuits. So I decided it was time to make a bikini too. As always, you can find a pattern linked in the description below. And now let's get into the tutorial. So to make this bikini, you'll need 1/2 meter of swimwear fabric, latex elastic, and of course the pattern, which you can find via the link in the description below. After printing the pattern, don't forget to measure the test square to make sure the printing is correct. The test square should be 5 by 5 centimeters. Then cut away the excess where the scissors are marked and tape all the pages together. Let's start assembling our bikini with bottoms. Place the front and back pieces right sides together and sew a seam. I'm gonna do this in an overlocker, but if you don't have one, you can use a zigzag stitch on your regular sewing machine. So I joined the pieces together and I did the same for the lining pieces. Now place these 2 layers right sides together, and now we need to stitch around all the edges, placing the elastic underneath the stitching as you go. I basted the layers to keep them from shifting, and now I'm gonna place the elastic like this and stitch. So I've stitched everything and here's how it looks. And in a lining, I also unpicked the seam to make the opening for which we will turn the bottoms right side out. And now let's make the straps. I got 4 strips, each 3 centimeters wide. Now fold the strip in half and stitch along the edge, placing the elastic as you sew. Now insert the ties into the bottoms and secure them with stitches. Now clip all the corners. And turn the bottoms right side out through this opening. All that's left is to close this opening by hand with blind stitches. Now take the cup pieces and place the shell and the lining right sides together. And stitch along both edges, placing the elastic underneath the stitching as you sew. I basted the pieces and transferred the markings from the pattern. And I'm gonna stitch up to these markings. And for this edge, just sew a seam without elastic. I also made the ties for the cups. And now I'm gonna insert them into the cups. and secure with stitches. Clip the corners. And turn the cups, raise it out. The final step is to make the channels for the ties. To do that, we'll sew 2 straight stitches. The first stitch goes 1 millimeter from the edge to secure the seam allowances that are sticking out. Tuck them inside and stitch along the edge. And then sew the second straight stitch 1 centimeter from the edge to create the channel. All that's left is to thread the ties through the channels, and our bikini is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can also leave your suggestions in the comments what you'd like to see me sew next. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye!